Cycle.
Looking. Depende. Looking side.
Shepherd, ah. Okay. Over the wall, ah. Southwest, over the wall. Over the wall, southwest. Wait. Over the wall, wait. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Coming with the...
Headbutt.
Bam. King Ryu. Oh, King Ryu. Bagal ng galaw.
Okay, cycle left side.
Hindi, na-hold siya.
Cycle.
Ready? Yung pink?
Yes. Pamatay yung quill ulit. Pamatay ulit yung quill. Okay. Look, ah. Southwest. Over the wall. Op.
Fake.
Bagay. Dapat siguro yung divergence na lang lalaban dun sa Queen. Konti lang naman sila.
Ipas balik. Engage.
Hindi mo ko nagaling.
Umi. Deep in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Tapos.
Pagsagay pa.
Ayun, mabibigyan.
Uy, gagoy naman.
Ay, ba't ito, Orville? Ano yan?
Namatay na lang.
Palat kita, Orville.
Bukas sa saan?
Mission ka, diba? Ba't di mo ginagamit?
Na-shaper ako. Hindi ko nakita yung shaper.
Uy, ba't ka namamatay?
Ipas ready.
Hindi ko nakita yung shaper.
Heal Chasti.
Ready?
Defense ready. Southwest, ha. 1 minute 5, 4, 1. Tap. Click.
Ikun doon. Order mo.
Kumakaw. Stabilize. Cycle ulit.
Nag-gear pa.
Sige. Coming.
Isa na lang carry natin.
Shepherd.
Paper.
Okay,
Ano ba?
guys.
Ano gamit ni Sir Drang Kalot?
Okay. Southwest. 1 minute 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Top.
Please repair the wall.
Di ba ko rin eh?
Uy, yung coil lang. Nangyari sa coil.
Binubong na second floor natin.
Wala nagre-repair.
Repair nyo lang.
Uy, makasap natin.
Tulo. Kaliwa.
Okay, ah. Left. Deep west. Minute 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Heal.
Sige! Ay,
Careful.
May caller ata nila.
Nang?
Coil. O, dahil
Muna.
No, hindi. Buhay pa. Okay. Lock the crown. On me.
Bistak looking.
Ipas
ah.
ready.
bisnak pa.
Bistak looking.
Wait.
Bistak looking.
Spread. Okay, lock the crown, ha. Ready defend. The crown. On me. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Top. Defend.
Mamaya.
Defend.
Di pa maabot yung aircon dito po sa likod. Pag pala gusto ko.
Okay.
Kaya na lang po.
Defense ready.
Ready?
Sabi na lang. Okay, ready. Walk with me.
Si jacket.
On me. Deep, southeast. Deep 5, 4,
51 ang kita.
2, 1. Top. Quick. Almost. Done. Ay, hindi. Baba. Painfo.
Tapos na daw sa'yo.
Help Jajamon, west side.
Okay, suggestion. Look at the crown, ha. Ready. Corner tayo dito.
Ay, kapatawa ka.
Spread. Look at the crown. Engage fast, guys. 1 minute. Wait. Defend. No. Buti na lang din ang defend.
Drop pass, guys. Drop pass.
Tapos stairs. 1 minute 5.
Sige.
1. Stairs. Go back na.
Coil, basag na gate. Coil, west side.
Cycle. Spread.
Ready?
No.
Pero po, one, five, overnight lang.
Yes, ready. Already.
Ito mag-engage sa coil.
Five.
Pa-GA nga yung build.
Pwede. Kaya sasabay ako sa engage mo to, sus.
Here.
Is the caller looking?
West deep. 5, 4,
Vista,
3,
caller
2, 1. Top.
Tanap.
This the caller looking.
Spread lang, spread lang. Ready defend.
Southwest side.
Careful.
Fake.
Fake yun. Look at the crown, ha. Look at the crown.
Out, out.
Southwest on me, ha. Look at the crown.
Bam.
Look at the crown. This is fake, ha. This is fake.
Yes.
Oh, i-defend.
Yung dalawang.
I-defend, ha. Okay, at the crown.
Nag-beam mo na.
Five,
Heal me.
3, 2, 1. Trap on me, ha. Go back now. Defend.
Demon ko.
Parang mapatasan.
Dito pa.
Mata niyo yung kill.
Pahil.
Dino-double engage tayo. Itoy.
Okay, foul up.
Wala naman sa Jello.
Defense ready. Look at the crown. Look at the crown. South deep on me. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Big.
Oh,
Nice.
Nice.
nice one.
Yung pula ba engage?
Okay,
Matahan niyo please ang quill.
Matahan niyo yung kill.
O, rigger natin to, loot.
Mag-ano kayo? Mag-talk kayo kung ano.
Gusto niyo push natin yung ano?
Careful lang sa mag-loot, ha. Careful sa loot. Pag pa ka.
Touch the banner.
Punta kayo dito.
Okay.
Copy.
Mag-engage tayo. Look at the crown.
Hey, defense. Dito, caller.
Asan yung bisdak? Nag-engage.
Stack south.
Look at the
Stack south.
crown. Boots now.
Northwest.
Wait. On me in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Big. Nice.
Oh, layo ng iba kasi.
Uy, boy, nag-demon.
Ready? Where's the best bisdak?
Stack south.
Okay. Asa labas sila?
Tarap nila yung banner nasa baba pa.
Sa baba.
Okay, defense ready? Look at the crown, ha? Deep. West, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Tap. Lagi rate yung ano. Huwag kayong masyado malayo sa caller.
Guys,
Matahan ko.
find your crown.
Matahan ko.
Find your crown.
Walang bang sa comms. Pero nandito sila.
Ito ba yung mga bisdak, ha? Nandyan pa.
Dito yung bisdak, ha? Wait.
Bisdak ka, pushing.
Look
They're
south. Looking. Okay. Ready, ha? Ready. On me, 5,
Patay naman sa Paul.
2, 1. Trap.
Nice.
Oh, sa kabila. Nag-engage sa kabila. Nag-engage kill.
Careful kill.
Eh, na-stop.
Nice. Okay. Cycle lang.
Kaya ito. Laban lang. 100% damage.
Look at the crown, ha? Huwag kayong masyado malayo. Okay, DPS ready.
Don't song ready.
Just sabi ka direction mo para di malito DPS.
2, 1. Baka. Looking. Go back. Cycle. Pasabi ako, ha?
Oh, parang engage.
Pasabi akong ready, ha? DPS. Hello.
We're looking.
Ready?
Ready. Top is deep.
Don't song ready.
4, 3, 2, 1. Big.
Very good.
Go back now. After engage, go back fast. Cycle.
Damage, guys.
Info. Kill.
Heal damage.
Okay. Kill. Careful.
Pwede natin push quill, no?
Come west. Look at me. Ready, DPS. On me in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Tap.
Ay, dami.
Okay.
Ino, sayang. Sarap.
Duck looking. South.
Bistak, careful, ha? Spread cards.
Ay, bumaba.
But don't kill too far to your front. Shaper.
No.
Heal nga. Pwede nga ako. DPS ready.
Ano yan, Smith?
Look at me, ha?
Dagdag DA lang.
Dito tayo sa ano. Look at me. West, deep on me in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Stop, stop, stop.
Drop. Ah, sarap.
Kabak. Careful.
Oh, sayang.
Spread.
Almost.
After the
Ah,
engage,
pasti na ako dedetar ka, diba?
Oh.
Prime.
Ay, kita.
Oh, sabay ka sa direction nila, Jay.
Engage yung bisdak. Engage yung bisdak.
Okay, engage. Okay. Walk south now. DPS ready.
Bam.
DPS ready.
Ah, miss.
On me.
Tatawa.
South east on me. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Stop. Okay, go back now. After engage, go back. Go back spread. Go back north. Spread. Go back north spread. Cycle.
Ready?
May 11 gauge, ah.
Okay. Very good. May depth ba kayo? May defense.
Yan. Wala pa.
Pa-GA nga yung ano? Pa-GA nga yan.
No.
Engage natin yan.
Ah,
Wait.
yung ano, bisdak looking.
Ready to stop ah.
Oh, nag-engage na, Quill, ah.
Okay, on me.
Bisdak.
Press deep on me. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ayun, TikTok.
No.
Drop down.
No, double OC, everyone.
Go back.
Bisdak pushing. Bisdak. Fake.
Take
Fake.
yun. Defense ready. Hello.
Ready?
How long?
2 seconds.
Okay.
2 seconds. Down song ready.
Southwest on
down
me. Southwest on me. 5, 4, 2, 1. Big.
Gagawin layo nila, men.
Hindi abot.
Go back.
Kahit ako, hindi ako nabot eh.
Oh, layo. Ganda sana, kaso malayo.
Ano yun? Dami naman.
Ano yun? Namin namamatay.
Daming harap.
Ignore. Ang namamatay yung
Nawala gear ko.
Nako, di nag-double OC. Sinabi na mag-double OC.
Food check.
Food check, everyone. Food check. Fast, guys, fast.
Pamatay yung quill. Okay.
Kaya to.
Hold lang. Buy time.
Gear.
Bisdak looking.
Looking ha.
Looking, ah.
Careful looking ha. Spread north. This is fake ha. This is fake.
Shaper.
Careful. Shaper.
Oh.
Nag-fake sila.
Okay, fucked up. Bisdak fucked up.
Okay, look west.
Switch, naka-T4.
Look west.
Kanina pa talaga yun si Swift.
West on me. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Stop.
Oh, wait lang, Swift to. Asan si Swift? Tingin ko yan.
Kabak.
Jump ka rin ba?
Bisdak looking.
Kabak na.
Wala.
Defend. Okay, go back north. Stabilize. Isda ka. Okay. Defense ready. Low.
ready.
Okay. West on me. Oh, wait.
Bisdak looking.
Looking south.
South. On me. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Big.
Gan. Nice.
Let them. Kill them. Okay, go back now.
Kilala ka mo.
Kill.
Lapit na mamatay yung caller nila.
Not enough, please execute.
Go back now. Looking.
Defensive
Defend.
field yung mga
Kill looking.
Okay, push now. Push kill. Defense ready. On me on 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Big. Okay, go back now. Hold. Spread north. Stabilize.
Bisdak.
Bista ka. Looking ata.
Oh, shaper to build.
Ito ka na.
Nakita ko na ng paper.
Okay, wait.
Dali lang makita ng Shaper talaga.
Wait. Try natin engage yung
Please.
ano.
Oh, nag-engage.
On me.
King Ryu. Wake up.
Dapat ni King Ryo Depend. Ayun, mamatay na. Ayun. Oh, nag-engage. Engage, engage.
Defend.
Hindi ako,
Ay.
hindi ako makati.
Okay, defense.
Palot.
Spread.
Huwag sila babasagan.
Spread one.
Palot guys.
Spread. Ano yan? Usik. Out.
Dami na bigyan dun ah.
Si sa... Ano na yun? Na-expect na yun kay ano?
Bisdak ka, manap ng sure ko yung bisdak. Yung bisdak manap.
Looking nga. Careful. Check also. Basta
Hindi, hindi yan
yung pila,
college.
mag-engage.
Nagre-reset lang. Heal niya. Heal.
Looking ha. Careful. Spread. Okay. Atay natin mag-engage.
Nag-engage sila sa akin. Engage sila sa akin. Engage sa akin. Andun.
Namatay na naman. Bam.
No, save yan.
Asan di mo natin?
Looking quill ha.
Yan,
Basta
stop.
yung bisdak ha.
Stop na.
JJ,
Demon, Sir Drunk.
engage. Okay. Left press. Left press. Okay, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Up.
Wala ka.
Okay.
Card yung defeat damage ko.
Wait lang.
Epic
Wala
kill pa rin
tayong
tayo.
DPS.
May kalaban na ata sila sa labas. Ano yun?
Mga lauter lang yun. Nirarat sila. Buti nga, ganun, buy time ba?
Nag-out ang queen. Namatay ata color nila.
Shipper.
Safer.
Hindi, nandito pa ko.
Collar ha. Looking collar. Careful looking.
Looking bisdak, looking yung bisdak, looking.
Okay, on me. West. South on me. 5,
Engage nyo yung bisdak, engage nyo.
3, 2, 1. On me. Turn. Nice.
Killed one.
Kabak. Hold. Looking quill ha. Looking.
Ready?
Pa-stop na lang ha.
Quill engaging.
Then,
Quill on me in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Stop.
Bisdak ha, looking yung bisdak. Ayun,
Bisdak!
engaging.
Looking bisdak! Defend! Nice! Dep!
Bilang, isa lang yung namatay.
Guys, step up.
Need natin ang isang GA sa Bistak.
May naman na GA. Pero meron pa rin...
Legend.
Ano yan? Legend.
DPS, me, West, 5.
No, stop looking.
Wait, what? Okay.
Na-stop.
Legend out.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On me.
Ayun, malaki.
Okay, go back now. Spread, careful. Looking.
Nag-engage yung bisdak, nag-engage.
Sniper.
Shipper.
Stabilize muna.
Tele,
Stabilize muna. Heal the party.
please pumasok ka sa loob.
Heal the party.
Solo bomber ka. Pumasok ka sa loob nila.
Oh, pag
Matakot
mag-reduce sila.
mag-dive. Wait.
Bisdak color ka looking. Nandito.
Spread lang.
Hit mo yung tank.
Sino pa yung defend natin ha? Kung kaya mo gan.
Likod i-hit mo tala.
Fake to ha. Fake to.
Looking color nila.
Fake yun.
Bisdak, looking yung
Bam.
Hold
Okay,
lang natin.
bistak nag-engage.
Okay. Walk now. Walks out. Careful kill ha. Walks out.
Looking yung queen.
Defend. Wait, hindi tayo makapag-engage. Pag mag-engage yung Bistak mag-engage yung quick.
Nabomba yung quill. Nabomba ng lautir.
Looking bisdak.
Pang-heal.
Looking. Okay. On me now ha. South.
Demon ka.
4, 3, 2, 1.
Broken coil. Broken coil.
Okay,
Broken yung coil ah. Na-broken yung coil.
Pwede natin.
Na-wipe sila.
Inaano ng Team Memol. Pinapatay ng Team Memol.
Okay, laban natin yung ano.
Ubos quill. Wipe out quill. Wipe out quill.
Spread lang ah. Looking.
Fake.
Fake.
Liquid engage.
Left. Okay, on me. East on me. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Trap.
File guys.
Ba't mo lang? Oy,
Ala ka boom. Almost died. Almost dead.
So, papatayin ko na. Baka ano pala.
Purple ah.
Ayun yung color, yung color.
go back. Spread.
Engage.
Okay,
Hindi, take yun, take.
on me, southeast, on me. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Big. Very big. Yo. Nice. Okay, spread down. Spread. Don't get
Ano sa party? Pamana sa party.
look lang dami. Okay, defend.
Naslap.
Okay,
Def.
ready. Nasa on me. Southeast, deep, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Big.
I need mana.
Safer.
Careful. Stabilize.
Loot kayo. Yung alay yung naglulot.
Huwag ka matakot mag-bomb. Sili.
Stabilize.
Careful.
Careful, Chok.
Color looking.
Ano, sila, dikit ka kay Zenila pag reset. May jacket siya.
Looking at
Over the wall.
Dito ang color. Fake.
Fake to. Fake to. Di ko makat. Go back. Okay, well engage on me. Fast engage on me. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Almost go back na ako.
Nag-rotate sila northwest ah.
Ay, napatay.
Ayun na.
Nice one.
Oh.
Ito yung fast engage na rin yung pull. Dapat mabilis yung engage.
Ano, pag may namatay sa tabi niyo, up. Shipper.
Ay, di marunong safer na lang.
Saan yung gusto na yun?
Naging
Ayun. Ganun mag-trash. Ako mas lang.
DPS, come to the crown.
Baka mag-over the wall ah.
Sobrang layo niyo. Sige lang, huwag lang kayo lumapit sa ano. Okay, DPS. Over the wall. Careful.
Fake.
Wait. Baka. Dito lang kayo. Over the wall tayo.
Will bonking north.
Looking.
Yan, na-stop.
Okay, DPS on me. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Tap. Kill this.
Tingnan naman niya.
Kill this.
Yun, may astral na tayo. Doon, DJ.
Below.
Careful lang.
Will, ready?
Spread. They're looking. Careful.
Bakit mapatay?
Up, Will.
Ay, nakakyat na Quill.
Looking.
Ano talaga nag-mirror?
Quill north, nakakyat na, nasa taas na.
Galang. Okay, look at the crown. We engage in north. Over the wall. On me. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ito na lang.
man.
Baba. Go west now. Spread west. Info sa bisdak.
Bitak going south, papasok sa south. Shipper.
Okay, look at the
Dali,
crown.
Ba't ka nag-random demon, King Ray?
Naging goal.
On me. 5, 4, 3,
Bigo.
2, 1.
Bam.
Kilala ka, boom.
Execute.
Okay, go.
Hindi gaya, nakabim.
Ako lang. Will looking ah.
Ba't demon?
Ba't demon?
Sino?
Si Sir Dark Alert.
Random kill, Sir Drunk.
Spread.
Lasing na siguro.
Okay, DPS, ready? Respect. I will fake.
Donsong ready, Donsong ready.
This fake. Donsong.
14 minutes.
Kaya pa. Saan yung bisdak? Malayo ba yung bisdak?
Bilang, punong-puno pa
Ang
HP
sarap
ng
patayin niya to.
Yung quill,
Oo.
inching.
Patayin natin to ah. Stairs. I mean, 5.
Game.
What? Dapat to.
Ayun, sarap gagi.
Northwest
Go
yung
back
disna.
now. Go back now.
Di mo na ka, di mo na ka.
Go back now. Spread. Cycle.
Bisdak, from west.
Circle.
Dito, wisda
Black
ka.
west side, oh.
Bisdak west.
Black west side. Looking.
Wala akong defensive.
Looking careful ah. Okay, then engage.
Na-stop.
1, 3, 2, 1. Big.
Mix na J kami.
Ilang, almost. Go back now. Kill this guy.
Quill north. Almost dead.
Nice.
Quill north side. Wala yan, patawa naman yung quill. Pero pag na-engage yan tayo, mamatay din tayo.
Sakit.
May nagmamata ba?
Hold.
Walang tank sa north. Ano, meron.
Jelo
Wala
lang.
ako na.
Habin, punta ka na lang
Fast
dito.
engage.
Hey, Habin.
Fast engage ah.
Hindi ka na.
Fast engage north.
Okay.
5, 4, 3, 2. Wala dito. Buwa ba?
Quill, oh. Pauwi natin yung quill sa hideout.
Second.
Repair, please. Tank.
Repair,
Hindi.
guys.
Pag-brawl ka nga,
Wala
Habin.
akong
Brawl ka, Habin. I-brawl mo nga.
Nakabombahin tayo ng ano ah. May mga bomba dito ah.
Sige lang.
Okay,
Shipper.
Southwest. 5, 4, 3.
Nag-engage sila, nag-engage sa wisda.
Sa major lang, engage.
Looking. Bam.
Looking yan,
Bam.
looking.
Baka.
Kulinching.
Spread. They engage.
Hindi pa. Takot.
Nag-engage siya sa akin.
Natatakot sila. Okay, wait.
Binobomba yung quill.
5 seconds, Donsong.
Okay lang.
5 seconds.
Matay kayo mga patawa kayo dyan.
Nag-engage sa mage.
West deep. On me. 5.
Donsong ready.
Ay, wag na. Malayo na.
Oy, healer, pa-help ako, heal sa mage. Pa-help sa mage.
Heal the mage.
Heal the mage, guys. Heal the mage.
You can engage north.
12 minutes.
Okay, at the stairs. 3.
Nag-engage ulit bisdak sa mage.
Up.
Heal the mage, please. Heal the mage. Happy,
Fake
be my
ako.
mage.
Fake ako ah.
Nagana ba yung
Fake to.
Ano? Dito mataas sa HP ng mage.
heal ng healer.
Nag-defend sila.
Okay na, Tomas.
On me,
Ready.
4, 3, 2, 1. On me, minsan.
Oh, yeah, shipper.
Nice. Okay, go back.
Killed one.
Go back
At dyan nila.
now.
Quill inching.
Go back. Stabilize.
Stop naman
Open
tayo.
na yung gate ah.
Stabilize. Sige lang.
Open na.
Repair, please, repair. Nice, repair.
Repair sa north.
Repair north. North wall, repair. Hello?
Mage reset.
Walk-in ang ano, ang
Fast engage north. Wait.
Walk-in ang wisda.
Pamatay yung bistak ah. Ay, hindi. Wait. Yung bistak ah.
10 minutes na lang, kaya to.
Looking
Fast
ang corner
engage.
sa wisda.
Fast engage ah.
Looking na looking.
On me, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Shipper. Ay, no.
Okay, go back.
Looking ang corner.
Go back.
-1, Quill.
Well, sa gitna natin, no.
Crazy.
Okay. DPS ready.
3 seconds. 3 seconds.
Rest of it.
Is the kata nagpo-focus sa mage?
3, 2, 1.
Sige.
Tap. Big.
Na-J kami.
Okay lang. Repair lang, please. Repair lang yung ano. Jello, repair mo, please. Parang awa.
Spread lang.
10 minutes ha, 10 minutes.
10 minutes. Kaya to, guys. Health it on mage.
Asan yung mage?
Dito sa southeast. Oh, nag-engage sa mage. Ay, naku!
Walk past now. Lock on me. Look at the crown. On me.
Trigger fast. Isi ko, ang Rio.
Ako na Jacob. 2, 1. Okay, drop. Hindi wala ka po.
Oh, stop. Heal me, heal us, north
Koba.
side.
Stabilize.
Nefi. Pag mag-engage tayo, isabay mo yung beam mo.
Saan yung
Beam mo si
Wala
Choso.
yung build dito.
Wala yung quill. Binabomba sila dun.
Engage. Go west. Walk west now. Okay, yun me. 5, 4, 3, 2,
Daming ratter.
1.
Dami nga eh.
Drop. Big kill.
Nice.
Ay, sa JD. Sige, JD. Nakatingin ako. Will north.
Wala.
Quill north.
Taas ka siguro, JD.
Okay.
Oh, go, quill.
Go north. On me.
Dragon quill.
3, 2, 1. On me.
Ano patawang yan?
Drop.
Sige, full push.
Isda, okay.
Careful
Heal damage.
Careful yung
Damage.
hold shot dito.
I'm dead.
Full HP mage, full HP pa. Naka-reset.
Hindi.
Hindi yan, nare-reset yan.
Hindi may heal kasi na full HP shot. May heal lang pag nabawasan.
Hindi ganun yun.
Wala na dadagdag oh.
Look at the crown.
Ban.
Shaper.
Oh, shaper.
Song ready. Ready.
Look at the crown. Fake to ah.
GA sila.
Oh, mag-defend sila.
Depend.
Defend.
Heal frontline.
Okay. Look at the crown.
JD sa northwest ka para di ka marat. May nangihila sa baba.
Drop.
Wait lang, hindi marinig
Almost.
si Choso. Di marinig si Choso.
Go to tower. Go back. Tower. Saan yung field? Wala pa dyan.
Wala na. Ulit.
Ready?
Nasa west flag.
Looking.
Looking list ka.
Okay, DPS ready. West.
Song ready.
5,
Song ready.
4, 3, 2, 1. Big.
Uy.
Nice one.
Wala.
Nice.
Ay, wala namatay.
Kill me.
Ay, si Choso.
Ito.
Okay.
Almost.
Nasabi sa ko sa wala.
Wait lang, wala pa akong defend ah.
No. Ako naka-trail lang talaga ako dito.
Mag-fake ako.
Oh, grabe yan, JD.
I need mana. Sino may druid to?
Fake. Ako nag-defend ng demon.
Oh, may quill ulit dito. Ano to? Matay.
Last 7 minutes.
Ano to? Resist station.
Binobomba sila ng Team Memol.
Walk nga kayo sa
Nagawan
walk
niya.
kayo sa. Walk west. Walk west na.
Guys, malayo si Choso ah.
Look at the crown. 1 minute, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Tap. Patayin niyo. Patayin na to.
Inquite to.
Yes, W's.
Ah, sarap nung... Lala ng ano.
Nice. Ikaw na bahala.
Nice.
Defense.
Nice
Okay.
one.
Push now. Wala nang ano.
Wala na ata this duck.
Push.
Malapit ka dyan.
Tara.
Ready for me. At the crown. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Tap. On me.
Ay pala, dami ratter. Lala, ang daming ratter.
Go back, Terry.
Demon.
Go back, Terry now. Ano yung... Ratter pala.
I'm out of hit port.
Pwede nga ako. Ready.
Ah, wala na mana, ang basta talaga.
DPS ready? Saan ang DPS? Punta lang kayo dito. Asan yung crown nyo?
Kakampi ba natin Singo?
Wala.
Wala tayong kami dyan.
Wala
Look at the
tayong
crown,
ano dito.
guys.
Ayun, yung RF, nakikilot.
Yung crown nyo, nasa south na.
Andito yung crown,
Tama.
no? West.
Hindi. Nasa west si Choso.
Sino may druid cowl?
Paano nga sa bisdak? Asan yung bisdak ngayon?
Wala. Oh, Quill nasa west, Quill nasa west, Quill nasa west.
Uy.
Choso, nandito, Quill.
Okay.
Mounted yung quill.
Wait. Yung Bisdak, asan? Info?
Ay, na-hold, Choso. Naka-hold dito.
Papunta na dyan yung South PH ha.
South PH looking, South PH looking.
Careful.
Ito yung bisdak ha, nasa ping, moving. Dismounted ha, dismounted.
Wala, di nag-engage sa atin sa PH.
Go back, Terry. Hold na lang natin to.